tell you guys my top 3 tips for buying and selling online. I'm Topic Games. I've been reselling for 3.5 years, and I wish I knew this when I first started reselling because I would have made so much more money. When it comes to buying and selling things online, the first thing you have to do is pick your niche. For me personally, I enjoyed video games and Legos when I was younger, so I decided that this would be the exact item I would resell because I have a little bit of knowledge before going into that niche. You guys can genuinely pick anything because anything sells, and I mean that. So if you're into anime, if you're into books, I can guarantee there's a market for you to resell and make some okay money. Secondly, you do need to know where to source your items from. The two places in which I find the best deals is from Facebook Marketplace and from Vinted. When I tell you guys the amount of people putting up bundles on Facebook Marketplace of stuff that goes for a lot more because they can't be asked to sell it themselves or actually do the research on the items that they have for sale is absolutely crazy. Check this out above my head. They gave this away for free, which is mental. I did offer them money, but they didn't want the money. So this is why I tell people, source from different areas. Facebook Market is amazing in your local area. Just make sure you can drive. But if you don't drive, I would recommend Vinted, as you can get some really good deals by Vinted sniping. If you don't know what Vinted sniping is, it's essentially buying the item as soon as it comes on the market. Thirdly, what I do suggest is that you open a Vinted and an eBay. I often get a question on my TikTok lives asking me if eBay or Vinted is the better selling platform. And I'll be honest with you, they're both as good as each other and they can be better than each other. Why not cross list across both platforms to maximize visibility and increase the chances of a sale? Fourthly, I strongly do not recommend getting a supplier or vendor because most of the time, if you sell fake items on Vinted and eBay and they find out, they will close your account and you will never be able to go on that account with your name or national insurance number. So what I do suggest is sourcing from Vinted and Facebook Marketplace where you get good deals, real deals, and make some really good money that way instead of going through these fake suppliers who comment on the people's videos or say they make these unrealistic amounts of profit. And all you have to do is ask yourself one question. Why would they be giving away a vendor or supplier that they're making £80 per item? Doesn't make any sense. Lastly, but certainly not least, I recommend networking with other resellers. Please don't look at other resellers as competition because they're genuinely not. The amount of knowledge and information I've learned from networking with other sellers in my area and online is absolutely amazing. And I can tell you right now that I would not have achieved this level of success in reselling if it wasn't for those people. So make sure you reach out to people, make sure you ask those questions because you can learn a lot. Guys, if you have learned something from this video, make sure you drop a follow. I always come with good reselling content.